Hello everyone, I'm Anupreet Kaur and I'm plus 1 commerce student. Today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, which is e-commerce versus e-business. Many people cannot differentiate between these two. So today I'm going to make you clear about the differences between e-commerce and e-business. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is trading of merchandise over the internet. It is the process through which buying, selling, dealing, ordering, and paying of the goods and services are done over the internet. The seller can communicate with the buyer without having any face to face interaction. For example, online banking, online shopping, online ticket booking, social networking, etc. Any monetary transaction which is done with the help of electronic media is called e-commerce. We have four types of e-commerce, which are B2B, means business to business, B2C, business to customer, C2B, customer to business, and C2C, customer to customer. B2B means business to business transactions are those where buying and selling of goods and services between businesses are done. For example, Alibaba, Oracle, etc. B2C transactions are those whereby the goods are sold by the business to customer. For example, any products like household products, technical products, devices, etc. C2C means customer to customer transactions are those where commercial transactions between customer to customer are done. For example, OLX, Quikr, etc. C2B transactions are those where commercial transactions between customer to business are done. Now, what is e-business? E-business is also known as electronic business. It can also be defined as business which is done with the help of internet. E-commerce is one of the important components of e-business. E-business is not confined to buying and selling of goods only, but it includes other activities that also form part of business, like providing services to customers, communicating with employees, clients and business partners can contact with each other, etc. We have two types of e-business, which is pure play, the business which is having electronic existence only, brick and click, in which the business exists both in online and offline form. Now, what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business? Trading of merchandise over the internet is known as e-commerce, whereas running business using the internet is known as e-business. It is a subset, whereas e-business is a superset, means the scope of e-business is wider than the e-commerce. E-commerce is limited to monetary transactions, whereas e-business is not limited to monetary transactions. E-commerce carry out only commercial transactions and e-business carry out business transactions. E-commerce approach is extroverted, whereas e-business approach is ambiverted. E-commerce requires website, where e-business requires website, CRM, ERP, etc. Internet is used in e-commerce. Internet, intranet and extranet is used in e-business. So, our conclusion is e-commerce is major part of e-business. It can also be said that e-commerce is e-business websites, but e-business is not necessarily e-commerce. The former is just the online presence of the conventional commerce, and the same is the case with the latter. At present, most of the companies are doing e-business just to capture the maximum part of the market. Some e-commerce websites have emerged since last few years who are vanishing the market traditional commercial business like Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, etc. I hope this video helps you a lot, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.